Welcome back, everyone. Ben here from Catch Pro. Today we've got our good mate's trailer that he's just bought for his business in Brisbane. So that's BJ from TBL. So he was good enough to let us do a quick walk around after he's fitted out all of his stuff. So all this stuff's brand new. So he's got his new Scag 48 there in the custom bucket, which is awesome. Then he has his Equipment Defender 4-place trimmer rack along with the spool rack. So moving around this way now, he has his cone caddy, which he's going to put his own business sign on there eventually. He just has to get one custom made up. And then following around here, he has his Equipment Defender backpack blower rack. So I wasn't able to sell him everything. I reckon I can get him to bung a sprayer rack on there eventually. But this is a pretty good example of, you know, a blank canvas, what you can do to it to get yourself all rigged up. Say good day, BJ.
Hey guys, what's happening?
Rusty's here. Okay. All right. Peace out. Thank you.